The future of concept to commercialization is here at Metrix Contract Services. Our new 126,000 square foot oral solid dose commercial manufacturing facility is now open. This $80 million investment in our Greenville, North Carolina campus quadruples our U.S. manufacturing capacity and enables us to deliver a concept to commercialization solution to our development clients. All in one contiguous location, all under one site registration. Today, Metrix is building on commercial manufacturing experience that dates back to 2004, successfully manufacturing, packaging, and testing commercial products. With our added capacity, we can now offer that expertise to more clients. This state-of-the-art facility was engineered from the ground up to meet today's stringent manufacturing demands, offering flexible space, the ability to deliver a broad range of capabilities and services, and a best-in-class approach to mitigating cross-contamination. This unique design accommodates the segregated flow of people, equipment, and materials, and allows for the safe handling of higher potency compounds. While substantially increasing capacity, this new facility was designed and built to provide a highly compliant environment for a range of processes, including solvent capabilities and handling of DEA Schedule 2 through 5 compounds. Let's take a look at some of the features of this new building. There are 16 new flexible production suites, designed to segregate the flow of equipment, materials, and personnel, thereby mitigating cross-contamination risks. Each suite features 100% HEPA outside air. There are distinct airlocks for gowning, material, and equipment, and a dedicated quality control laboratory. Of course, while this expansion more than doubles our operational footprint, it also creates extraordinary new capacity and capabilities for manufacturing. We've invested millions in state-of-the-art equipment designed for scalability, including a solvent-capable GLAT GPCG Pro 120 with integrated high-shear granulator, a solvent-capable Thomas Flex 500 tablet coater, Sejong 400-liter high-shear granulator, O'Hara Technologies tray dryer, and 2 serialized bottling lines, plus fully instrumented Feti tablet presses, EMA Pharma Adapta encapsulator with 100% inline check weighing, Bosch H&K 1500 encapsulator, and Fitzpatrick L83 roller compactor. We're also expanding the footprint of our existing pre-commercial facility, adding 4,200 square feet of new lab space and more than 10 new manufacturing suites. At Metrix Contract Services, these expansions and enhancements, along with our standalone Stability Center of Excellence, mean the future of concept to commercialization is finally here.